Hello Internet people! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google account without a Gmail. So you can use your non-Gmail account with any Google products. Arnie, what do you think?
You lie!
Tape Sweat Punch! Alright, let's get started. Go to Google and search for Google account. Click on the first option and you will land on a page like this. Under the Sign In button, click on the Create a Google Account link. Then fill in your name and last name. Now this is the most important part of the video. If you are using non-Gmail account, you need to click on the Use my current email address instead. It will reveal a new field where you can enter your email. For example, I'm going to use Hotmail. Then add a password and confirm the password. I would advise to use a different password than what you use for your email. And then click on Next. Then Google will ask you to confirm your email by entering a code. So check your email for the code. The email looks like something like this. You just need to copy the code and paste the verification code into the field and click on Verify button. Next, Google will ask for your phone number. For now it's optional, but they might change it. I like to put it in for security reasons. Then you need to add your birth date and gender and click on Next button. I know, one day Google will be asking questions like this.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
The next screen is to establish for what your phone number will be used. You can see more details by clicking on More options. Here you can select not to add your number, or in my case I actually want to use my phone number for account security. So I'll select that option and click on Done. Now Google is asking you to approve terms and conditions. First read through them, and if you scroll down you will see more options. Inside you will find more settings. You can basically disable all tracking and history collection. I'm actually okay with the default options. So I just need to accept the conditions here at the bottom and then click on Create Account. That's it! You can now use Google account with any Google products like Google Analytics, Tag Manager or any other product. My name is Robert, and if you're looking to master the digital world while getting entertained, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button and find the bell icon so that you get notified about new videos. Here are two videos that I think you will find useful. Whoosh!